Hey, how's it going, everyone? I was disappointed with the outcome of my the last video. I made 283 wheel horsepower and 253 wheel torque on Z1's dyno jet. I was back to the drawing board, and so we've made a couple of changes, and I'll be scheduling another retune. The first change I made was adding a 5/16 inch plenum spacer back into the intake side there. I do have a video of that. You can hear like the whooshing noise of the velocity stack on the intake filter there. The other change I made was on the exhaust side. I'm running the Tomei headers and not the stock units. With the Tomei headers, I have an outlet diameter of 2.36 inches, whereas the ART pipes have an inlet diameter of 2.25 inches. So instead of stepping up like a good setup should do, I've actually got a step down. I believe you can actually see like some discoloration there on the ART pipe itself. I believe that was a pretty serious bottleneck in the system for me. So I've got the Z1 test pipes on the Z now. I've also installed the Z1 Y pipe. There's mostly just a just because factor on that one. The Z1 Y pipe replacing the resonated XYZ. But yeah, feel free to ask me any questions on the changes I made or why, or the dynos I found showing gains for the changes I made. I do have some video clips here. I have that intake side video with the whooshing noise for the velocity stack. I've got the first like the cold start after the Z1 components installed. I have an acceleration clip, and I got some revs for you. All right, enjoy.